Guys, I'm on the verge of crying. I can hear the little river down below. I've got my dog. She's being very obedient. I'm so happy this area was not taken by the fire. And it's so good to focus on life. I'm so grateful that I made it to retirement. I'm living my dream. I finally got my dog in the wilderness. I've got my cars. And this was my love right here. First 10 years of my life, I grew up roaming the woods and places like this at our cabin. And it just overwhelming. Oh my. Now I wish I'd have carried the extra weight of my fishing pole. Get a drink. Drink some more. Drink some more water. Drink some water. Drink some water. Come on. Cold. Gotta drink it. Glad we got home when we did. It's 100 degrees out today, and it's all my fault. I washed the truck and the Baja. We went up in the mountains earlier today to escape the heat, and we're pretty much wiped out by the time we got home. And now we got something coming in. I just hope it's not hail. But it sure is blowing a lot of dirt and crud. I don't think it's gonna be enough to wet the grass. Even if we do get some rain. A lot of pollen in the air, just kind of moving junk around. We've got some smoke from some forest fires, not in our immediate area. Isn't it weird how it just blows crazy strong and then it just stops, gets still? Looking up there, those clouds are moving pretty fast. I hear a little thunder, but it doesn't look like rain, you know? It's not those dark rain clouds full of moisture. This is crazy. The whole world is just confused.